using break and continue with while loop. Using break and continue with while loop. Break and continue can be used in both for and while loops. Break can be used to exit the while loop immediately. Easiest definition for continue is skip and return back to the beginning to the loop. Let's see how. Okay, now go to brackets. I will show you how to use break first and then continue. For example, create a variable called I equal 1. Create an empty variable user equal empty string. Then use while I is less than or equal 5 colon. User variable equal input parenthesis insert any name \n. Then print string you inserted plus user variable. Okay, now if user equal string John colon, then type the keyword break. So break here means if the user inserted the name of John, it will exit the loop immediately. Then type elif user equal string Mac colon and type the keyword continue. Continue means if the user inserted Mike, the program will skip that and return back to the top of the condition. Then type I plus equal 1, which means incremented by 1 each time the loop is looped. After that, try the code on terminal. Okay, I will put multiple names to show you. Watch out. As you can see, when I inserted John, the loop stopped. Now, I will use the terminal one more time with multiple names. Okay, when I inserted Mike, it skipped. When I inserted John, it stopped. That's everything for now. Thanks for watching.